Hello friends, this is Alexey again. Did you know that there are over 100 power semiconductors manufacturers around the world, and they all make further investment into their production? The industry will continue to grow rapidly, no matter what. And today, let us check what is new in power semiconductors industry. ROHM Semiconductor has announced that Lucid, an advanced luxury electric vehicle company headquartered in California, is using its silicon carbide MOSFET in a groundbreaking Lucid Air. The Wonderbox, the main onboard charging unit in a Lucid Air, integrates a DC-DC converter and the bidirectional onboard charger, where advanced power factor correction circuit is capable of operating at high switching frequencies thanks to the superior performance of the SiC MOSFET. The improved performance at high frequency and high temperature of ROHM silicon carbide MOSFETs have helped Lucid to reduce the size of the design and to reduce power losses, which results in high charging efficiency. Alpha and Omega Semiconductor, a designer, developer, and global supplier of a broad range of power semiconductors and power ICs and digital power products, announced the release of 600-volt Super Junction MOSFETs. Alpha MOS 5 is Alpha and Omega's latest generation of high-voltage MOSFET designed to meet the high-efficiency and high-density needs for quick charger, adapter, PC power, server, industrial power, telecom, and hyperscale data center applications. Teledyne E2V HiRel announced the addition of new space-screen versions of its popular 650-volt 60A high reliability gallium nitride high electron mobility transistors. The new parts go through NASA Level 1 screening flow and can be brought up to full Level 1 conformance with extra qualification testing if desired. Typical applications include battery management, DC-DC converters, and space motor drives. Two new parts are available, both space-grade 650-volt enhancement mode topside cooled gallium nitride on silicon power transistors. The properties of gallium nitride allow for high current, high voltage breakdown, and high switching frequency, enabling high efficiency and high power density designs. For many years, the Infineon power simulation platform, IPOSIM, has helped designers select the most suitable high-power devices based on power and thermal calculations. In IPOSIM, you can easily simulate single operating points in user-defined load profiles. Now Infineon is extending the IPOSIM platform with the first automated lifetime estimation service on the market. This new premium feature enables you to digitally estimate the lifetime of Infineon power modules depending on usage and application requirements. With this lifetime estimation algorithm, you can access Infineon's power electronics expertise online 24/7 and as often as needed during the design process. Soitec, a world leader in design and production of innovative semiconductor materials, announced a new fabrication facility at its headquarters in France, primarily to manufacture new silicon carbide wafers which respond to key challenges of the electric vehicle and industrial markets. The extension will also support Soitec's 300mm silicon on insulator activities. The factory is to produce innovative SmartSiC engineered wafers developed by Soitec at the Substrate Innovation Center located in Grenoble, using Soitec's proprietary Smart Cut technology. The electronic chips built on this type of wafers offer compelling performance and energy efficiency gains to power supply systems. The new generation of silicon carbide wafers adds significant value for industrial applications and electric vehicles. It allows to enlarge their driving range, shorten the charging time, and diminish their cost. II-VI Incorporated, a leading wide bandgap semiconductors, announced that it's accelerating its investment in 150 and 200mm silicon carbide substrate and epitaxial wafer manufacturing with large-scale factory expansion in Easton, Pennsylvania, and Kista, Sweden. This is part of the company's previously announced $1 billion investment in silicon carbide over the next 10 years. To meet the accelerating global demand for silicon carbide power electronics, II-VI will significantly build out its factory in Easton to scale up the production of its state-of-the-art silicon carbide substrates and epitaxial wafers. Easton's silicon carbide substrate output is expected to reach the equivalent of 1,150mm substrates annually by 2027, with a proportion of 200mm substrates growing over time. The expansion of the epitaxial wafer capacity in Kista is aimed at serving the European market. Power modules are a core component of a power electronic system. As such, its lifetime has an important effect on the reliability of the final product. In order to understand how real mission profiles affect the power modules, complex simulations have to be performed, often pushing the tools and methodology to their limits due to very long and highly variable profiles. For this reason, a high level of expertise in methodology and semiconductor characteristics is required. Knowing the behavior of power modules in real usage profiles has positive effects on the selection of the right power module and therefore on the reliability and optimization of the system costs. To facilitate the design process of industrial manufacturers, Infineon has released a new digital service, IPOSIM lifetime estimation. Now designers can digitally estimate the lifetime of power modules whenever they need it and as many times as they need it. In this webinar, you will gain a general understanding of the factors affecting the lifetime of power modules, and most importantly, you will get exclusive insights into the methodology and operation of IPOSIM lifetime estimation service. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.